Hi folks, we're back with that vernacular house wood framing, and we'll be happy. We're continuing on with the floor framing, but I took this out because someone mentioned stairs. So here's our stair on the first level. I'll place that in. Let's go look at it in 3D. So there's basically our stair run. So had to do these levels again. So what we do here, thank God we got a beam system. Let's go back to level 1 here. And I've taken these out, so right here I'm going to just sketch one in. So I'm going to go beam system again here. Now remind you, this is just, you know, not a menu anyway. Let's just go add this in. So we want to go this direction here. Okay, I think this is going to be another sketch. So we're going to sketch this. We're going to sketch, say, from, let's say, from the edge of here up to there. Going across here. Let's put that right there for now. Uh-oh. Let's delete that one out. Okay, now we're going to go here. We're going to sketch still. We want to draw a line. I should just pick line. Yeah, let's do the pick line. Here we go. And here. And we'll clean this up. Hopefully it'll work out. The column, the joists will line up, but if they don't, well, that's the correct span. Fix that over there and there. I might want to push this back to there. So I'm going to pick that up, and then I want to finish it. Okay, so now these aren't lining up, and yeah, we kind of want them to. So we can go in and edit this guy a little bit. Let me just see if I can just go edit this. Edit my boundary here. And I'm going to just drag this into here and see what happens. Now normally these would want to line up, but in this case they're not. And then right here I had to do another beam system just around this stair right here. So there's, you got one there and one there. Then we got this cover this whole floor. So now let's go look at our second level here. Same situation. I copied this up, and this beam system should work, but I need a joist here, a beam here in the middle. Just go from there to there. These are only 2x12s, probably should be something thicker, so we can go in here and just grab, just go control. They might be double joist here, so what I'll do is I'll just go tab these here. Nope, this one. Grab that one, and I'm not gonna worry about that right now. That's what this is. This is basically how we're gonna do the stairs. So now we want to go and have a look at our stair in the section view. So I'm gonna just take this guy and rotate it. Okay, just undo that. Okay, so I'm going to take this section and go to here, and I can rotate it. Yep, I don't want to do that. Just want to rotate the section, or I can drop another one. Let's rotate this way. So we're going to have a look at this stair and see what's happening right through here. Okay, so there's our stair and our joist and our framing. It's a little jagged in there, so we had to clean this up. Okay, so we meet the level, so we're looking pretty good there. So let's go back to our 3D view here. And now I want to add this joist throughout on both levels, which I did it here. So on this other side, and then we want to copy this plate up right here. But in the meantime, I need to push these walls up. So what is the, what elevation is that? on this elevation view, that looks like that's going to be the north. And there's our walls from the architect's model and the openings. We don't want to go there just yet. It's the west view. We've got stuff hanging around here. So I'm going to go back to that 3D view because I don't want to see any of these walls yet. So there's our framing for around the stairs. So basically we just had to cut an opening around these stairs, and normally they probably wouldn't go all the way through, all the way. This probably is going to come back a little bit, so we got to fix that. But this is basically how you do this. You just drop the stairs in there and put the framing right around it. Okay, so now I'm going to go over here. Now these are up there. What elevation is that? Let me go into my level 1. Okay, and I want to go into, what's that, the south. The south elevation. I want to put this in wireframe so we can see what's happening here. And I want to grab this beam system right here. Just grab it. I want to tab to it. There it is. And I want to extend this up. I'm going to edit this boundary and just move this up to, I think I'm going to go right up to here. And I'm going to finish it. Okay, so there's all those walls, and then we want to grab this plate here, which we did. So I'm going to take this beam system like we did before. I'm going to tab to it, and I want to paste it. And I want to paste it to align lows, and I want to go up to level 2. And okay. So that's not right. So we've got an issue here, so let's grab this and see what's happening here. Okay. This offset is wrong. Oh, I know why it's doing that, because this is higher than what it should be. Sorry about that, folks. But we can always adjust this beam system. So I'm going to just edit this boundary here. This is there. And this will go up to, just go all the way up to the parapet here. We're going to go all the way up to there. Then I'm going to finish it. So look back in 3D view. So there's that one side all done. And then up top again, I might want to take this joist, because we need that for the joist for the roof. So I'm going to go and do the same here. I'm going to copy this to assign levels. I'm going to paste it up to, what's that level up there? I think that's roof. Yeah, okay. So there it is, and then, okay. So we got some adjusting to do here as well. So I mean, this is pretty neat. I'm gonna go here. So this is basically how you do this. You go in here and you're gonna cut a hole open for the stairs, and then you want to clean up this other stuff. So where's that joist? There it is right there. I'm gonna tab to it. That one. So we got it up there already. Okay, and then we want to take this one up to the roof, and then on the downside. So I'm going to take this one right here. Yep. Copy, paste. This is roof. Yep. And I'm gonna go up to the roof. Oh, really? So that must have been parapet. Okay. So what do we got here? Okay, there's our level 2. Oh, that's what's happening. We cut it out of the view. Sorry, folks. So there's that joist there that I want right there, and it should, this right here should be down. So I'm gonna go back into that view. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean this up for you guys. Put the rest of these walls in, and then I'll show my openings here. So I'm gonna grab this beam system here. I'm gonna see if I can do it in this view. Yep. elevation, yeah, here. So grab this, just pull this down. So, but anyway, this is about the stairs. I'm continuing on with this. But there's our stairs in our model now from the architect. This is all only structural. So hey, just wanted to briefly fill you in on this. Now here, I'm gonna do the same thing through here, but now I'm gonna show you how to do the openings. We're gonna move on this project. So here, I'm gonna turn on my walls with my openings in them. Grab this one. I'm gonna unhide these elements. I'm gonna hide that one as well. Okay, so now there's our openings here from the architect's model. And then we'll go in and we'll fix these openings over these windows. So that's basically how we do this, guys. I'm gonna finish it off and show you where we're going here with this. We got our doors and everything. Let's still look at the architect's model. Let's turn it on and see what the architect's got going on here. I'm gonna right click and I'm going to reload this and see how close we are to what the architect's using in their model. But anyway, guys, come on now. Okay, don't see much in here, but yeah, the window openings are pretty similar, close to where they are. But anyway, guys, sorry about that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this all the time. So this is basically how we do this with framing in wood and structure and linked architect model on a lower scale. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this all the time. Everybody be safe. Okay, hide these back again because I kind of want these to be hidden for now. And cover that one. And I'm going to go ahead and finish these openings and walls, and that'll be it. And then we'll move on. So hey guys, thanks for watching. But yeah, that's how we would do the stairs. Okay. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. So there's our stairs going in the interior. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll talk to you later. Be safe and see you soon. Bye.